Have you ever bitten into a store-bought potato in the middle of winter and felt disappointed? You know that flavorless texture that tastes like nothing at all. Now imagine sliding it into a juicy, sweet, sun-written tomato bursting with flavor even when it's snowing outside. What if I told you that you could have that taste every single month of the year right inside your home? Today, I'm going to show you how you can grow tomatoes indoor all year round using grow lights, containers, and the right indoor-friendly tomato varieties. You don't need to have a backyard or a greenhouse. An available sunny windowsill or a small notch in your kitchen will do. Let us grow tomatoes that actually taste like tomatoes. Why grow tomatoes indoors? For me, it started one of cold January morning when the garden outside was frozen, and I missed that summer scent of the leaves of tomato plants and warm soil. I wonder whether it was possible to bring that feeling inside. There was. With the proper setup, you can simulate summer conditions for growth any time of the year, regardless of what is happening outside. Benefits of growing tomatoes indoors include fresh tomatoes all year round, no hornworms or aphids present, perfect for apartments or small space, a soothing way to stay connected with outdoor in winter. And there's something magical about picking a ripe tomato while snow falls outside your window. Choosing the right tomato variety. Success begins with selecting the right variety. Not all tomatoes will do well indoors. Look for compact varieties that grow fast and do not require much space or stocking. Best indoor tomato varieties. Tiny Tim. Cherry tomato that grows around 1 foot tall. Second, Micro Tom. Smallest tomato plant in the world, perfect for small space. Third, Red Robin. Compact plant bearing sweet and delicious fruits. Fourth, Plateau Princess. Bushy with general use, ideal for containers. Fifth, Golden Pearl. Yellow cherry tomato with a tropical twist. Choose determinant dwarf or container varieties. These words on seed packets are your key to indoor success. Setting up your indoor tomato garden. Now, let's set up your growing station. Here's what you will need. Containers. Choose containers that are at least 12 inches deep, as tomato roots like to stretch. Make sure there's good drainage. A hole at the bottom is a must. Fabric pots or self-watering container work well. Even a 5-gallon bucket will do. Just make sure it has drainage holes. Potting mix. Use quality potting mix, not garden soil. You want a light, airy, and well-draining mix. A simple mix recipe. 2 parts peat moss or cocoa coir, 1 part perlite or vermiculite, 1 part compost. This provides the right balance of moisture and nutrients. Grow lights. Grow lights are the game changer. To grow tomato indoors all year, light is essential. Tomatoes require 12 to 16 hours of light a day. If you don't have a bright south-facing window, use LED grow lights. Recommended grow lights: full spectrum LED that mimic sunlight. Flexible options for plant growth with adjustable heights. A timer so you never forget to turn them on or off. Keep the light 6 to 12 inches above the plants. If leaves are pale or drying, elevate lights a little higher. You'll be enjoying large, thriving tomatoes in a few weeks as though it were midsummer in your home. Planting and germination. Let us plant your seeds, starting from seeds. Fill small seed trays or cups with your potting mix. Plant seeds about 1/4 inch deep. Mix gently with water and cover with plastic wrap or a humidity dome. Keep them warm at around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Tomatoes are tropical plants and love warmth. In 5 to 10 days, tiny sprouts will appear. After they do, take off the covering and move them under your grow lights. Transplanting. Transplant your seedlings into bigger containers when they are about 6 inches tall. Here is an important tip. Bury the stem deeper than before, up to the first set of leaves. Tomatoes grow extra roots along buried stems, making them stronger. Water well at transplant, then allow a few days to acclimate to brighter light. Watering and feeding. Watering might make or break your indoor tomato garden. The soil should be kept consistent, moist but not soggy. If the top inch feels dry, it is time to water. Room temperature water should be used in order not to shock the roots. Water slowly until a little comes out of the drainage hole. That's ensure deep hydration. Feeding and fertilizing. Indoor plants rely on you for nutrition. Fertilize with a balanced mix like 5-10-10 or tomato growing specific mix every 2 to 3 weeks while it is growing. Liquid fertilizer apply themselves by evenly distributing the nutrients. Once the plant begins to flower, you want to use a higher phosphorus and potassium fertilizer to help with fruiting. Pollination. Indoor. There is no wind or bees to help with the process. You will be helping with your plant pollinate manually. Ways of pollination. Number 1. Shake the plant gently to simulate wind. Second, take a small paintbrush or cotton swab and transfer pollen between flowers. Third, use an electric toothbrush near each flower to release pollen with vibration. It might sound funny, but it works. Within a few days, you will begin to see tiny green tomatoes forming. Temperature and humidity control. Tomatoes like a consistent, comfortable temperature. Ideal indoor condition. Daytime temperature 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Nighttime 60 to 70 degrees. Humidity 40 to 70%. A small fan can help the air moving in order to prevent mold. It also strengthens the stem. Set up a humidifier near your plants. If your home air is too dry in winter, think of it bringing a little bit slice of moisture right into your living room. Pruning and training. As your tomatoes grow, they put on small shoots called suckers. These appear between the main stem and the branch. Pruning will keep your plant productive and manageable. Pruning steps. Number 1. Remove small suckers when they are 2 to 3 inches long. Second, keep one strong main stem upright. Third, support the plant with a stick or small cage. Regular pruning improves air circulation and directs the plant's energy towards fruit instead of excess foliage. Common indoor problems and solution. Even indoors, a few issues can appear. Here is how to fix them quickly. Yellow leaves usually means overwatering or nutrients deficiency. Let the soil dry a bit and feed lightly. Flower drop could be due to temperature, stress, or inadequate pollination. Check your light and air circulation. If small insects, such as fungus, appear, use sticky traps or a mild new oil spray and let the topsoil dry between watering. Indoor watering is all about balance. As soon as you develop a routine, the plants will thrive on their own. Harvesting and enjoying your tomatoes. You will know your tomatoes are ready when the color is rich, uniform. Gently twist each one of the vine. When it comes off easily, it is perfect. Slice one open and taste it fresh, sweet, tangy, and warm from the light. It tastes like sunshine even in the middle of winter. Add them to salad. sandwiches, or just enjoying them on their own and sprinkle salt. It can't get any better than that. Keeping a year-round supply. For a continuous harvest, plant seeds every 2 to 3 months. As one batch slows down, the next batch begins producing. Rotate your seedings on your shelves for a steady cycle of planting, growing, and harvesting. This rhythm gives you tomatoes all year round, breathing garden powered by light and care. There is something deeply rewarding about growing your own food. It reminds us of patience and care when one watches a small seed develop into a fruit-bearing plant. In the middle of winter, your tomato garden is a reminder that life will continue to grow with appropriate warmth and light. Whether you don't in an apartment in the city or a house, this little indoor garden brings nature right into your fingertips. And that is it. That is how you can grow tomatoes indoor year-round. From seed to harvest in any season, you can enjoy that homegrown taste anytime you want. If you found this guide useful, hit the like button. It helps more people discover this channel and keeps our garden community growing. If you'd like to see more tutorials on indoor gardenings, hydroponics, and sustainable living, be sure to subscribe that tap notification so you never miss a harvest. Remember, life tastes better when you grow it yourself. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.